Hello, my name is Austin, and this is the first development log for the roguelike game that I've been working on for a little bit now. Basically, I just want to get something simple and short done so that I can say that I've gotten one of these out quickly, and that way I can build up on that and make more complicated ones as we go. For now, I just wanted to make something that showed off what I've been working on, give a little bit of an idea of where I want to go with it, and just a little idea of what I've done to get here. I should preface that I am not a programmer at all. I'm actually an artist by trade, but I decided I really enjoy game design, and I've been looking for a different hobby to get into now that art has become my career. So I've been looking up a lot of tutorials online, and this is my very first fully designed game that isn't just me following a tutorial. Although that being said, I got a lot of these things from tutorials. The major conceit of this game is a mixture between a normal roguelike, something like Slay the Spire or Hades was a big inspiration for me, and a Fire Emblem type game where you can recruit people and you can mix and match them to get different combinations and different abilities that synergize with each other in new and interesting ways. After about 4 months of programming and coding and 1 month of having that code get corrupted and broken and having to fix it all for a month, which was great, I have quite a bit going up here. I have the basic forest map, I have a rest stop, a shop, I have a basic map, and I even have a little bit of a dialogue system. As you can see, a lot of the art is still placeholder art. I've spent a lot of time obsessing over the trees, so the trees are pretty nice now, but I still need to do things like run cycles. I would like to do stuff to make the attack screen more exciting. Obviously, I don't want to use stick figures for the enemies. I'm gonna be pretty precious with the art, I think. Again, I'm an artist by trade, so a lot of that is what I know how to do. As far as future plans go, I want to be able to get this game done in at least a couple years. I have a lot of the base work done, so a lot of it is polish at this point. It's a lot of making sure that the characters that I have existing already work well and have the animations and assets needed for them. There's going to be a lot of balancing obviously on that, but I want to add in a lot of characters and artifacts and items that can be built on this base that I've set up already. I want to be able to do more devlogs like this, probably ones that are going to be more polished. And I want to be able to add in dialogue system, something like Hades with a wait system, so that every time you do a run you can be able to talk with the people that you've recruited and be able to get like a little story as you play. I understand as you're listening to this, these all seem like very lofty, unattainable goals in a lot of ways. I've never been a person who can do small projects. I've always been a person that has to just jump right into a huge project, and sometimes that means that those projects don't get done, but as I've been learning how to code, I've actually found that I've overcome most of the major hurdles to this game. The main thing is going to be making sure that I can move through and polish and finish it up, which is hopefully what these devlogs are going to help me to do, because I'll be able to come each time and talk about my progress. I have to fix a lot of bugs too, especially when the code got corrupted. I had to rewrite a lot of stuff, and every now and then I will come across a game-breaking bug that happened because I lost that code. So I'm sure I'm going to have to be cleaning up that mess for a little bit now. But thank you for listening. I appreciate you checking out this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know what ideas you would add to this. I want to make this available for people to be able to play soon. I just want to polish out a couple of those bugs beforehand. Thank you so much for listening. Give it a like if you liked it, and I will see you next month.